Hoy!
Tayo.
Ha?
Tayo.
Di ko alam.
Hindi ko na alam kung tayo pupunta. Wala ka bang naiisip dyan? Saan
Ano?
ka nagpupunta?
Ang madalas, Antipolo eh.
Ngayon? Tipolo? Gabi?
I'm on the come up, no stopping me now. I'm shining bright, yeah, I'm owning the crown. From the struggle to the hustle, I paid my dues. I'm making it happen, breaking through the views, yeah. From the bottom, had to grind every day. No handouts given, had to make my own way. I faced adversity, weight on my shoulders. Rose above the struggle like a rock getting bolder. No silver spoons or golden paths paid for me. I had to carve my own way, set my destiny. Through the long nights, yeah, I stayed true. Even when the odds were stacked, I knew what to do. I'm on the come up, no stopping me now. I'm shining bright, yeah, I'm owning the crown. From the struggle to the hustle, I paid my dues. I'm making it happen, breaking through the views, yeah. I'm on the come up, no stopping me now. I'm shining bright, yeah, I'm owning the crown. From the struggle to the hustle, I paid my dues. I'm making it happen, breaking through the views, yeah. On the rise, chasing dreams, no time to rest. Got success in my sight, but I question who's next. As I climb the ladder, searching for loyalty. In this game of fame, hard to find royalty. Cause the money changed the people around. They smile to your face, but inside they're not down. I keep my circle small, cause trust is hard to earn.
May coins ka? Ha? Hindi ko ata eh. Pwede, pwede. May coins ka ba, pre? Ah, dito na pa, balik ka? Ah, doon na sa kanya, sir? Okay.
Karpas, baka ano, hindi kayo makakanabas pagka
Apa. Apa. Dito, dito. Sa? Hindi, bawal ata eh.
Bawal na.
Oo. Dito na lang. Ilan yung karpas mo? Dalawa yung karpas? Kapag gabi pala, wala nang bayad dyan.
Kaya to?
Oo. Kasi dyan magbabayad din, alam ko, sa unahan eh.
Ano ko po pwede pa tayo magpupunta para mapark natin sa harap na kayo?
Hindi, malapit lang din naman yung kainan.
Ha?
Malapit lang din naman yung kainan. Kalimutan. May sabitan ka ng helmet dyan?
Wala eh.
Putang na, dala ko yung helmet. Sige lang. Nadala ko yung isang helmet kasi. May helmet ako rito.
Okay. Bibit-bitin mo tuloy yan.
Yeah, okay lang.
Abot ang ating coffee.
Ikaw ka mag-front, pre. Ikaw mag-front.
Bayani yan.
Hindi na makakita ka rin. Pwede naman, kahit ito nga na ko. Yung 5-0 ko.